We are looking at how to pronounce this expression from French, as well as how to say more interesting and often confusing French words and names too, so make sure to stay tuned for those. How do you say it? Faux amis. Faux amis. What happens here is that you make what we call a liaison, meaning that you actually pronounce the X at the end of the first word, at the end of faux, because there is a vowel after it to the next word, but you cannot pronounce it like an X, so you can't say fox ami, so you pronounce it like a Z. Faux ami, the S at the end of ami is silent. This means literally false friend or false friend, because this is used generally for words that may look like they mean something, but they actually mean something else, and that's especially true in different languages. When you switch language, the same word may mean different things in another language. That's essentially what it is. Faux amis. And now you know. I hope this was helpful and not too confusing. Thanks for watching, and here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting and useful French words and names. Thanks for watching.